Hello everyone, welcome to Civics Chapter 6 Understanding Media. In this particular topic, we will be covering the phrases like media and technology, media and money, media and democracy, and lastly, setting agendas. But let's first of all look at the introduction. Media is the plural form of the word medium. It is now used as a collective word for magazines, newspapers, radio, television, internet, and various forms of advertisement. Newspapers and magazines are called print media. This is the definition of print media. We call radio, television, internet as electronic media. This is the definition of electronic media. Newspapers, radio, and television have access to millions of homes and crores of people. Because of their mass appeal, mass here mean to say lot of people, large number of people to be getting involved at the same time. And reach they are collectively called mass media. Changing technology, machines, and constant upgradation helps media reach more and more people. Now let's come to a new topic, that is media and technology. Media have spread by leaps and bounds. Leaps and bounds here mean to say with great jumps. That means with good uprising of the things with the passage of time. With the advent of modern technology like the internet, cable, mobile phone, etc. It is necessary to give balanced information, otherwise, the outcome can be grave and damaging. Grave means it can be a worst also if wrong propaganda is being in the society. The media should function as an independent body and not be biased. Preventing news items, views, reviews, etc., from being published or aired in media by the government is called censorship. Censorship of the media was at its worst during the emergency in 1975 to 1977. The government prevented the media from reporting its atrocities, high handedness, etc., which could worsen the political situation. Now, this is the new topic, that is media and money. How media is involved in making the money. The appliances used in mass media are very expensive and scientifically advanced. To run these huge establishments, lot of money is required. The main source of income of the mass media is by advertising consumer products like soap, oil, etc. Now let's see what is the meaning of the media in democracy. Democracy means India is a democratic country where we are having the freedom to live, we are having the freedom to do the things what we desire to do so. We are having independence, we are having the freedom regarding all sorts of life. So let's see what is the perception of the reality over here. Media plays a powerful role in democracy. It is one of the pillars of democracy. The media reports various policies and activities of the government. It provides news, views, and discussions about national and international events. A balanced media report is in favor of democracy. This is actually telling you that in democracy we are having different pillars, and these pillars play a very important role. An in depth analysis of news and events should be done, and the conclusion should be left to the public. Left to the public means whatever we are visualizing through the mass media regarding the television, the reporters, what they are saying, everything we should watch, but the ultimate decision should be left to us. We should not be depending on the perspective of other. We should be having our own conclusions. The media a very good support system to your views so that it reaches the concerned government personals who are beyond the reach of man on the road. The most essential aspect of the media is that it should have the image of an absolutely transparent organization. Though at times the press has to censor some portion of the news in accordance with views that might upset the public and affect adversely. Censor what previously also we have read the word, that it's a part of the department where the government has the right to cut the things if they feel that particular thing can create chaos in the society regarding the religious matters, regarding any individual's identity. So this is how that particular thing is being deleted from that particular part, for the sake of the society, not for personal issue, but for the sake of the society, because it can upset the public and it can affect and adverse in the society regarding the riots and other things. So the media should be accountable for what they publish. Media should have the responsibility what they are publishing before the public. Now the last topic is setting agendas. The media report only those stories or news which people desire to read or see or on television. The media choose only those issues that would influence people's thoughts and actions. That's why it is said that the media sets the agenda. In a democracy, it is important that the news that reaches the public is accurate, impartial, and unbiased. Media create and form public opinion. An unhealthy and distorted public opinion is bad for democracy. Media's close relationship with business world results in biased reporting. A balanced review or review is had to come by nowadays. Therefore, we should be vigilant and not blindly react to news reports. So, this is what they want to say, that look at whatever the news channels or the reporters are telling through print media or through electronic media. We should see all these things, but the last decision should be ours only. We should be vigilant, we should be always having awareness what the government is doing, what in the society is going on. It is we who should play an important role being citizen of India. So this is how this chapter is completed, and hope you have understood all these topics. One more thing, let's see here. We should ascertain the facts and read other newspapers and watch other news channels to get to the bottom of a story. It should avoid biased and one sided views, giving sensational or exaggerated views, focusing on issues that are not significant in our lives. So, what the things which are not important, we should not pay attention to that, and the things which are really worthwhile, we should be looking forward to that thing. So, this is how let's compile up. Thank you. God bless you all.